Amazon Neptune. Amazon Neptune is a fully managed graph database service that allows you to build and run applications that work with highly connected datasets. It is a fast, reliable, and scalable solution that makes it easy to build applications that require complex relationships between data. Neptune is designed to support graph queries and is fully compatible with open-source graph databases like Apache Tinkerpop and Gremlin. In this primer, we will discuss the various aspects of Amazon Neptune, including its architecture, features, and use cases. 1. Architecture. Amazon Neptune is built on a distributed graph engine that allows you to store and process large graph datasets. The service is based on a highly available, fault-tolerant architecture that ensures that your data is always available and secure. The architecture of Neptune consists of the following components. Graph engine. The graph engine is the core component of Neptune, responsible for storing and processing graph data. It uses a distributed storage and compute engine to provide high performance and scalability. Storage layer. The storage layer is responsible for storing the graph data in a distributed fashion across multiple nodes. It uses a columnar storage format that optimizes performance for graph queries. Query engine. The query engine is responsible for processing graph queries and generating results. It supports open-source graph query languages like Gremlin and SPARQL. Replication. Neptune provides automatic data replication across multiple availability zones to ensure high availability and fault tolerance. 1. Features. Amazon Neptune provides several features that make it easy to work with graph datasets. Some of the key features of Neptune are: fully managed. Neptune is a fully managed service that handles all the administration tasks like hardware provisioning, software patching, and backups, allowing you to focus on building your application. Highly available and fault-tolerant. Neptune provides automatic replication across multiple availability zones, ensuring that your data is always available and safe. Scalable. Neptune scales automatically based on your workload, allowing you to handle large graph datasets without worrying about performance. Fast queries. Neptune is optimized for graph queries, providing high-performance graph traversals and joins. Support for open-source graph query languages. Neptune supports open-source graph query languages like Gremlin and SPARQL, making it easy to migrate from other graph databases. Integration with AWS services. Neptune integrates with other AWS services like Amazon S3, AWS Lambda, and Amazon CloudWatch, allowing you to build fully integrated solutions. Security. Neptune provides security features like encryption at rest and in transit, VPC support, and IAM integration, ensuring that your data is always secure. 1. Use cases. Amazon Neptune can be used for a wide range of applications that require working with highly connected datasets. Some of the common use cases of Neptune are: social networking. Neptune can be used to build social networking applications that require working with large networks of friends and followers. Recommendations. Neptune can be used to build recommendation systems that require analyzing complex relationships between users and items. Fraud detection. Neptune can be used to build fraud detection systems that require analyzing large graphs of financial transactions. Knowledge graphs. Neptune can be used to build knowledge graphs that require storing and processing large amounts of structured and unstructured data. Network and IT operations. Neptune can be used to build network and IT operations applications that require working with large graphs of network devices and configurations. Conclusion. Amazon Neptune is a powerful graph database service that provides a fully managed, scalable, and reliable solution for working with highly connected datasets. It is a fast and efficient solution that supports open-source graph query languages like Gremlin and SPARQL. With its high availability, fault tolerance, and security features, Neptune is an ideal solution for a wide range of applications that require working with graph data.